Okay, more the big B. I miss vlogging, my goodness sake. Ah! Let's go there. Where are we going?
Walter Bard. Walter Bard again.
We were watching the vlog from This is the first Walter Bart vlog on the. Wait, no, not. How many? Is it our second on the Infinix? Oh, 502. This a great opportunity. Every time we go, this is the first time or only time. Thank you to Nanay's sister. So cloudy. Save look. And the vlog at the GMA for the box. He said we should.
Sabi, doon ka na sa loob. Nasa naman kami apat, no?
Likod.
Ha?
Ay.
Sa likod ka na, sa likod ka na.
Save.
Yan.
Alright.
Si ano muna, si Xavier. Sa water lang pala. Sige, sige. Tara, sige. Come on, come on.
Right.
We're at the tricycle. Okay, go. Ay, kasya na na.
Oh man, so tight. I don't know if you guys see it. Alright. We're here. Where your phone came from?
Huh?
Hey.
What?
You swear. Look. Your birthday's a Good Friday.
Oh.
It's close
Yeah.
on your birthday.
Oh, well, all times in Walter Mart now. That's interesting. Yeah, also in my birthday, we'll go somewhere. I know I've already teased that. Stay tuned. Yeah. Yep, and we'll see where we are going. Oh, I think it's a new stand. It's a new ice cream stand.
Don't feel good. Hey, Wendy. Now available. Now available. iPhone 15 Pro. Starts at 75,000.
Oh my. Oh. Some foldable tables.
iPhone 20 Pro starts at 100,000. Starts at 100,000.
Oh. I can hear a speaker. Hey. Yeah, we went to Wendy's last time. Oh, this is where we're going now.
Your supercard could lead to a new.
Oh man. Yeah. We're at our table, our family members.
May buwan ng purway dito, may buwan, may buwan.
Yeah.
Mali lang.
Maybe we might be getting some pizza.
All right.
I can never take these vlogs here in Walter Mart.
The new chicken.
Oh, shh.
Hey, don't do that.
I saw a chick.
Eh,
What is
gusto man niya Ryan.
Supercard want to
Siya,
give
kasi
away.
makanin niya.
Keep using your supercard.
5 hanggang 7. Ito rin siya.
Peri Peri, that's from a chicken brand. A store in Paranaque.
Sabihan ni Pin na ay, isang araw.
The key to a new BMW. So
Ayan, you can...
we have it immediately. Babe?
Yeah. Look at that. I think there's still more though.
Huh?
I think that's it.
No,
There's still
R&B.
more. Huh?
They have now sub restaurants, which is this R&B,
Yeah, here.
R&B and peri peri, peri peri charcoal chicken sauce.
Yeah, right here at the top.
Peri
Okay.
peri. No, it has the same. I think that peri peri, peri peri sauce.
Chicken mo lang.
Look at that, some pasta. That's cool. Yeah, it's really tasty.
Mamaya. Wait. Now, pizza.
Oh. Guess we're just gonna eat immediately. Look at that, pretty tasty. It's a pepperoni pizza, rosemary. Okay,
Hey,
right. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Then- we're also gonna eat spaghetti.
hey, give me your
Okay.
cup of that. Did I wash my hands?
Right.
Sige.
Yeah, I just wanted to take a picture. Oh. Alright, tasting the pizza now. Pretty good. Although it's a bit hot. Yeah. Alright. Spaghetti as well. Also tastes pretty good. Alright. I guess we're gonna eat now. So see you when they get home since the food is already here.
Just an update. Look at this. We already have the chicken that Bobby calls dry. Oh bad, I had the record button.
Dad?
Appreciate. Why?
Oh, nothing. Alright. Yeah, this is just bonus content for the food. Yeah, the garlic bread is delicious. Alright. See you when we actually get home.
No.
Okay, it's a gravy.
Don't watch this video. Steve, look.
Na, tininda din ako.
Oh man.
Look, laptop namin lang.
Oh my. Took a picture now. I'm gonna eat. So, bye. Alright, we're going home.
Look at that. wonder why we're not even doing anything. We're not even. We only did the.
What? Oh,
What's there on the husband? Steady Vlogmaster.
oh.
Where are we gonna? Oh, we're going home again.
Yeah, we're gonna take a walk, guys. Alright, yeah. Ah,
Ideally. What?
yes. See you in a few months, I guess.
Few months, few days, few weeks.
Huh.
We're gonna visit this again.
Yep, and
Look at
it's
this.
turning night.
Look at this. Waffle for.
Yeah. I've already shown that in the first part anyway. That, and as I said, it's turning night now. What?
Yo, look how beautiful. Look, you can see it on the Infinix now.
Oh yeah,
Oh no?
that's really cool.
This is what a cloudy sunset look like. Saturday, the light is about to start. But us are gonna spend that only.
Alright. Yeah. I think we're turning the other side. We're turning on the other side of the traffic, I guess. So many vehicles. Yeah, there's so many vehicles. But in our street, there are only a few vehicles at this time. So, yes, yeah, yep, turning on the other side. Yeah, you've already seen these. So, yeah. But the difference is the sky. Yes. It's more purpley. The sky's more purpley in the camera.
My goodness,
Oh my
there's
God.
a spotlight now. So do you see the spotlight? Sinto's alumni homecoming with their 60th anniversary. They'll cap off a week-long celebration. And next is the Paniki Fiesta, so we'll have the what? What's happening? They're making laws here. Nanay, nanay. Look at that. Oh, and now you see the. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and as of this filming, the Wendy's vlog's gonna premiere. Watch the Wendy's vlog now.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll return there. But they said there's 2 for 129 deal. It's like we got around. No way. It's now. I haven't told you the time. It's now 6:25. But we spent like an hour and 22 minutes. We started vlog at 5:02. Oh shoot, there's a TV also. Magic Star, Magic Star. Hey, do you think long form videos like this they're going down and short form videos are taking on the rise?
I think so.
It's a great time to go out at this time. I'm never gonna eat. Oh shoot, look at this. How big? Look, you can see their TV. Oh, you better get those. Oh no, hopefully they'll not watch this video. Oh no, don't you film houses. We'll not do it again. I'm so sorry. When you're a vlogger, don't you film these guys. Just film it with you. Film the road. There's no cut, man. No cut, hashtag. Yeah, Secret Cell 62 megabytes. I think gigabytes. 62 GB. Yeah, we'll see you when we come there. Wait. Yeah, we'll see you when we go there now. We're already here. And we'll go to Santa Ana before. We failed because the door is locked today. They're watching a volleyball game. Good cafes and coffee shops are very alive. Paris below. Although it's still open, but this yeah, it's open. Still open. And yeah, open pre-pandemic. Or maybe I think 2018. I've been there. So here we go. There is. Yeah, it is the St. Rose Grand Alumni. Yeah. Who has this? Who has this?
Jordan Clarkson.
Hometown hero. And I cross this thing every day going home. We're going to Baum. We're going to Legazpi, or we're going. There's a lot of places to go tonight. 10 minutes now into this part. Oh shoot. Look, they say Giannis. They say Giannis. They say George Jersey.
It's actually turning night now.
That Vincent is homecoming. Dr. Nick and all.
All right.
Holy. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Well, look, it moves now.
Oh my God.
Wow, haircut. Hey, when are you going to have a haircut, boys?
I don't know. Well, that's new. Oh, that's painful. I don't know where my old phone is. As you may all know, my Vivo Y11 has been replaced by this phone on November 25th last year. My battery's pretty much about to run out from all this pausing.
Hey, what?
What?
What's this?
Oh my. I'm running out of battery now.